naka ngen def sa jambar Njais la back again with another video of learning Wolof with your boy Njais. This is the third Wolof session. Today we got phrases you'd use as a guest or hosting a guest. Let's get straight into it. Phrase 1. Forgive me, can I have a drink? Balalma dama buga nan. Balalma dama buga nan. Forgive me, can I have a drink? Balalma dama buga nan. Phrase 2. Do you want anything to drink? Danga buga dara purnan. Danga buga dara purnan. Do you want anything to drink? Danga buga dara purnan. Third phrase. I cooked. Do you want something to eat? Toga na. Danga buga leka. Toga na. Danga buga leka. I cooked. Do you want something to eat? Toga na. Dama buga leka. Phrase 4. We got this is your home. Don't be scared to come again. Fi sa kirla bul ragal pur ñëwaat. Fi sa kirla bul ragal pur ñëwaat. This is your home. Don't be scared to come again. Fi sa kirla bul ragal pur ñëwaat. Phrase 5. It made me happy when you said you were coming. Daf ma over kontaan lo bo ma waxe yaa ngi ñëw. Daf ma over kontaan lo bo ma waxe yaa ngi ñëw. It made me happy when you said you were coming. Daf ma over kontaan lo bo ma waxe yaa ngi ñëw. Phrase 6. Where is your toilet? Sa wanag bi fum neka. Sa wanag bi fum neka. Where's your toilet? Sa wanag bi fum neka. Phrase 7. Greet the family when you get home. Nuyul ma waa family bi soo delloo kër. Nuyul ma waa family bi soo delloo kër. Greet the family when you get back home. Phrase 8. Go easy when you're driving your car. Nga def ndanka soy dawale sa moto. Nga def ndanka soy dawale sa moto. Go easy when you're driving your car. Nga def ndanka soy dawale sa moto. So right there, I gave you 8 phrases of pretty much from when the guest gets there to when you're already engaging in conversation and you want to go to the toilet or want something to drink or want to offer something, from when they're leaving, and also just other things to just say, like, as I said, go easy when you're driving your car. So that's the 8 phrases of when you're a guest or hosting a guest. It's your boy Njais. Sa jambar Njais la, be benen yon.